Okay, wagwan.
Yeah, man, we're there again, you know? Yeah.
We have some Jamaican talk today.
Yeah, what you got so far?
I don't know, you're teaching me. You're the teacher.
What you learned so far?
I'm a Rasta man.
Yeah? What your favorite Rasta root?
Bob Marley.
Oh, yeah, man. And Cocoa Tea?
Cocoa tea?
Yeah?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Oh.
Sing, you know the Bob Marley tune?
Three Little Birds.
Yeah, sing it, let me hear.
I can't think of it off the top of my head.
Turnip.
Three little birds
Hold
went
on.
out one day over the bridge.
No.
Okay, go.
You said 3 little bird,
Three little birds
sit down by my doorstep,
sit down upon me doorstep,
singing sweet songs,
singing sweet songs,
and the melody is pure and true.
and the melody is pure and true.
Melody. Yeah, man. So, don't worry.
About a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright, my man.
Oh, yeah, man.
'Cause three little birds
No.
Oh.
Rise up this morning.
rise up this morning under the bleaching
On the rising
sun.
sun.
On the rising sun.
Yes. 3 little bird.
'Cause three little birds.
3 little bird, little.
Three little birds.
Yes. Sit down by my doorstep.
Sit down upon me doorstep. So three little birds sit on me doorstep.
Yeah. What am I do? Sing sweet song. Sing sweet song. Come on, man.
They sing sweet songs.
Singing sweet song.
Singing sweet songs.
Yeah.
Upon me doorstep.
No. The melody is pure and true. Come on.
The melody is pure and true. Three little birds.
Singing. This is my message to you.
This is my message to you.
Say, baby,